In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a subscriber in Xero. If you manage a Xero organization and need to hand over billing control to someone else, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to request that transfer in a clean, reliable way. First, make sure you're signed in to the correct Xero organization and that you have the right permissions. Only the current subscriber or someone with the necessary access will see the options we're about to use. It also helps to have the new subscriber's first name, last name, and email addresses ready before you begin. From your Xero dashboard, go to the top of the screen and click your name or profile icon. This opens your account menu. You're looking for the area that controls your plan and invoices, so choose subscription and billing. That takes you to the billing page for the organization you're currently in. If you manage more than one organization, double check the organization name at the top so you're updating the right account. On the subscription page, find the three dots, sometimes called the ellipsis menu, next to your subscription details. Click those three dots to reveal more actions related to your plan. In that menu, select Request Transfer. This opens the transfer request form where you'll tell Xero who should become the new subscriber. Enter the new subscriber's first name. Use the name they use for their Xero login to help avoid any confusion. Next, enter their last name, keeping spelling accurate. Finally, add their email address. This should be the email they actively use for Xero. Take a moment to confirm it's typed correctly, since Xero will use this address to send the transfer invitation. Typos here are the most common reason transfers get delayed. Before you submit, review those details one more time. When everything looks good, click Request Transfer. That sends the request to the person you named and starts the process of moving subscription ownership. After you submit the request, Xero will email the recipient with instructions. The transfer won't complete until they accept. Once they do, they'll become responsible for the subscription and will be able to manage billing settings going forward. If they don't see the email, ask them to check spam or any filtering rules in their inbox. If you can't see subscription and billing, or the request transfer option isn't available, you may not be the current subscriber for this organization, or the plan could be managed by a partner. In that case, reach out to the existing subscriber or your advisor to initiate the change. And that's it. You've requested a subscriber change in Xero quickly and confidently.